When you go from machine quilting with your walking foot to free motion quilting, you could stay with a standard quilting needle. But I actually wouldn't. And here's why. When you're free motion quilting, your needle comes under lots more stress and strain. You're stitching at a pretty high speed through multiple layers of your quilt, which is a big ask for your quilting needles. My experience has been that your machine can end up skipping stitches, or your needle could actually break altogether. So here is my top tip solution of what I found works best, which is, drum roll please, to switch to using a top stitch needle in a size 90/14. You see, top stitch needles are designed to be stronger, and they have a special arrow shaped tip which pierces through your quilt layers, a little like a hot knife through your butter. When I switched, let's put that back. When I switched to using top stitch needles, all those issues of the skip stitches and the occasional broken needle just went away. And now the top stitch needles is all I use for my free motion quilting. So yeah, they're a little bit more expensive than your universal needles or your standard quilting needles, but in my opinion, they're far more superior to use. Just try them and see, and do let me know in the comment section below how you got on. I would love to hear from you. By the way, if this has been helpful, please don't forget to like this video down there and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on my weekly tips, tricks and tutorials right here on YouTube. Bye for now.